Hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download EcoBank application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download EcoBank mobile application on your Android device, first thing to check is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data first. Get it connected and tap open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top as soon as you do that, and type in EcoBank in the search box and make your search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. Tap the install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Your download might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a strong internet. If you'd like to download faster and easier without any kind of a disturbance, with your e-commerce mobile banking application installed on your Android device, you can easily manage your account from a mobile device whenever you want. And wherever you are, send your money, make a payment, and get full experience of digital banking. Soon after the app gets downloaded on your mobile device, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download EcoBank mobile application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up or the back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.